Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Ben. Today we are going to start on a series on Laravel framework, and right now it's on Laravel 8, so this series will be Laravel 8 for absolute beginners. So let me introduce the series. So this series is going to be a maximum of 10 videos daily posted. These 10 videos will take you from absolute beginner to someone who can develop something, and then later on we'll now start doing projects here and there. But I want you first of all to understand the very basics: the project structure, project life cycle, the understanding the views, understanding the how to interact with the database, basics of an API, basics of controllers, basics of models, things like that. So that is what we are basically going to cover in this tutorial series. It's for absolute beginners. I don't mean if you know Laravel, you can't come here, because definitely there are things I know that you don't know, and there are things that you know which I'll expect also you will comment on the comment section below, because we're all here to learn, right? So yeah, so we are going to start with Laravel, and this is just a very basic introduction and also a welcome to you guys. And now that I'm in let's say quarantine or what, yeah, so I'm going to have a lot of time to not only do videos but also to improve myself as usual. So let's start with Laravel. So Laravel is known, and basically this is my objectives at the end of this. I want us to know what is Laravel, why Laravel, installing Laravel, the project structure, and what we call the Laravel lifecycle. We might not be able to cover everything in just one video. I don't want to make long videos, but today we are going to learn what is Laravel and why Laravel. Then the next video probably will first of all start by checking what are required before we start using a Laravel app. What is Laravel? Laravel is a PHP framework that is designed to make developing of web apps easier and faster through built-in features. So these built-in features are what we call modules, and we'll discuss them later. So what is a framework? A framework is a collection of tools that help you to do something faster without using the core language. For example, in PHP, there are those developers who are known as core PHP developers, and then there are those who are now working with frameworks. So Laravel is not apparently the only framework in PHP. We have, I think, EE or something like that. We have CodeIgniter. We have so many, Symfony and others, and many more. But Laravel is actually now the most popular web framework that most PHP developers now use, and it's also very much on demand. Laravel actually is one of the simplest frameworks I've ever seen or I've ever come across. For me, I had a reservation with frameworks, but when I came across Laravel and I did it just my first project, it was very easy for me now to adjust and also to understand how much I've been wasting a lot of my time doing something using core PHP that I would have is already done in Laravel, and it's easier for me now to just come and customize in features and tweak it the way I want it. So Laravel is actually one of the easiest and one of the fastest language. Development, rapid. So I would recommend everyone, any of my follower who is doing core PHP to give a try on Laravel framework. So what are these built-in features that Laravel offers? Number one is database abstraction. This, you don't have to interact with the database. You don't have to write the low level. You don't have to go create tables and things like that. Things like database creation, querying documents, updating documents, deleting documents, soft deleting and restoring records in a database. All these are already covered in Laravel. All you have to do is just to call the specific methods that do the specific thing. Number two is the template engine. Here we have what we call Blade in Laravel, and actually Blade is now not the only one. You can use any other front-end framework like Vue.js, you can use React, you can use Angular, but Laravel has its own called Blade, and Blade has its own scheme of writing things. It can also, you can write database queries on Blade, conditional display of data and things like that, because Laravel is actually MVC, and that is number 6, and we'll go there. Number 3, Laravel offers its own CLI, what we call a command line interface. This is where you have what we call an artisan for Laravel. Artisan is a command line interface tool for Laravel that helps you create models, create controllers, update your packages, create components, and so many other things that we'll be able to also experience or be able to test or to do in this tutorial. Number 4 is our automated testing. Those people who are very familiar with test-driven development, where you develop something and test it, Laravel comes built in with the testing framework already. So all you have to do is write your code, your logic, and then write a test and then run the test. And this is actually very handy when you're having big projects that you want to go doing either unit testing or probably scoped testing. Laravel also comes in with already a built-in authentication system. This means you don't have to handle login, sign up, password reset. Basically, all those ones are already in a Laravel framework. The moment you install it out of the box, it's there. And Laravel comes by default with Bootstrap already installed, already in it. So all you have to do, start developing if you're a lover of Bootstrap. Number 6, Laravel follows model view controller. Model is database, view is what a user can see, and then controller is where your logic is. And this is actually very handy when it comes also to security of your system, rapid development, because now, and remember that the model part of Laravel is already handled for you. All you have to do is just play around with VNC, actually, the view and the controller. So you create your controller and go to your view, and man, you're just done. That's how easy Laravel is, and I like it. Basically, that's all I can tell you. Click subscribe because I really need your subscription, guys. I really need so many, and I want to make sure that by the end of everything, you guys learn a lot from this channel. This is not just the only thing you're going to learn. I know so many things, and those things I'm going to teach you here, free of charge. Let's go to the second step. Now you understand what is Laravel. Oh yeah, what is Laravel? Now, why are we using Laravel? 1, it's scalable. You can create an application, a Laravel app that can serve hundreds of millions of users. And it's just out of the box. Like, you don't have to tweak anything or anything like that. It comes with its own way in which you can be able to know how long a query is taking. This is like a debugger for Laravel. So you can actually customize and tweak your Laravel to become blazing fast. Number 2 is modular. Modular means you've already deployed the application, you need a certain feature, someone else has already developed it, just bring it in, integrate, go on. Simple as that. Number 3, and this one is something I'll tell you to take to the bank. Short learning curve. The next 10 videos are going to take you from a newbie to an entry-level developer in Laravel. Very fast. Number 4, Laravel has a very, very, very large community. So in case you are stuck somewhere, just go or ask a question and you'll find so many answers and so many constructive answers as well. You don't have to struggle doing things that everyone else has done. And then Laravel is very robust. It allows you to integrate anything else. You know, it works with Node.js out of the box. It works with Vue.js out of the box. It works with React out of the box. It works with Angular out of the box. I mean, what is Laravel? Everything a developer can want. Don't forget to subscribe. This thing is real, guys. I want you to take care of yourself, even as you do this. This message just for me, and just take care of yourself. Stay at home if you can, and yeah, take care of yourself. Don't forget to subscribe and go to github/bnjunge and follow me, because all these things we'll be doing here will be going directly to GitHub, and I've lots of things there that are for free. Go there and start learning and start downloading them and you know, clone them and use them for your own good. Sometimes I may not post something here, but it will be on my Git. So please go both subscribe here on YouTube and also go to my GitHub and follow me. And yeah, you'll get a notification every time I send something there for free, or anything that I have will be there. And also note, this is a request, kindly. That's the end of this first introduction to Laravel. I hope that you guys have learned something and are very excited to start. Personally, I'm so excited because I know if there is anything that I'll do to change someone's lives this year, is to make you learn and understand Laravel, because there's so many gigs out there, and I'll be coming up again with series that will be able to help you secure your first freelance job. And you know what? That is my happiness. So let's get started with this thing. So let's meet in our next video, where we'll now go through the requirements. I will install Laravel, go through the project structure, discuss the life cycle, and then like that, and then we'll be through. At the end of these 10 videos, you'll be a master. Thank you very much for tuning in. Till next time, this is Ben. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment. I really need those comments on the comment section, because YouTube algorithm is not fair, guys. It's not really fair. There is no way you can hack it. Yeah, so help me there. Thank you. Let's meet in the next time.